Hi guys, it's Amy here at Lady Locked and Loaded. Today we're going to be going to the range and testing out my Glock 47. I just got it. I wanted the new generation, but the shop where I went to didn't have it, so I just took the next best thing. Um, since I might be running competition for GSSF, which is Glock, you kind of have to run a Glock. I tried to switch the mag release by myself, and that didn't go too well. So I'm here to try and get it fixed and then run it and see how it does. The Glock 47 is it's basically a Glock 17 with a Glock 19 spring. Personally, I really like the Glock 17. I have another one of those, and I wanted to give this one a try. So I put the Hollow Sun 507 competition optic red dot on it, and I tried to switch the mag release and I messed that up. I actually took it all apart and couldn't put it back together. And then I came here to try and get it fixed. They more or less put it back together for me. However, it is not going to work as it should because apparently I shaved off a portion of this mag release piece. So the mag keeps kind of dropping on me. So I'm going to have to contact Glock and ask if they can send me the extra parts. So unless you're an expert, maybe stay away from gunsmithing. So because I messed up my mag release, and the mags keep falling out. So I'm gonna have to contact Glock and get a couple new pieces. So I will not be trying to gunsmith my own stuff anytime soon. All right, let's take a look at my shots so far. I I think it's good as far as the sighting is concerned. I'm gonna test it a little bit more with a new target, so that way I don't see the shots made at 7 yards. So it does look like it was zeroed properly. I have my Magnalens Ear Pro, and I have my Magnalens indoor range glasses today. Yes, I'm an affiliate for them, and if you'd like to get them, I have them either in the comment section or on my bio, or you can go follow me at Lady Locked and Loaded, go to my link tree, and go to where it says Magnalens for a 10% discount. Highly recommend. It doesn't pinch your head like most other ear pro and eye pro do, and it doesn't break the ear protection barrier. So ear protection, eye protection without the headaches. You can also get the adapters, instead of buying the MagnaLens Ear Pro, you can get the adapters for like your razors and just get the lenses and still have the same kind of protection, at least very close to it, because I think these are a little bit better. Tested my Glock 47. I actually think I may actually like it better than the Walther. It's kind of like, it's less, I don't know, it's like, I don't know if it's less recoil or less aggressive or if it just feels better, but I might actually like it more. And as soon as I can get my mag release fixed, I can start running it. All right, guys, well, thanks for tuning in. And as always, train and stay safe.